Hey everyone, it's Martijn here with a slightly different video than you're usually used to, as we are here at the Great Wall in China. Xiaomi invited me to their headquarters, so in today's video I will show you around at their headquarters and at their EV factory and a whole lot more, so stick around till the end of the video.
So you might be wondering, what did I do at the Great Wall then? Well, Xiaomi did not only invite me, but other content creators and fans as well, including 𝗿𝗲𝗰𝗶𝗶𝗇𝗲, but more on that in a second. They did not only want us to see the head office and visit the factory, but experience and see China as well. Therefore, in this video, I will take you to some other places in China too. But first, let's get back to the other content creator who was here, or there, 𝗿𝗲𝗰𝗶𝗶𝗇𝗲.
We're not the only ones here in China. 𝗿𝗲𝗰𝗶𝗶𝗇𝗲 and his whole team is here as well. So let's have a look how they do it.
Behind the scenes.
After some content creation, which is now published on Xiaomi's official social media channels, it was time to get back to the bus. But with the sun setting, I couldn't resist to take a few last snaps with my Xiaomi 14 Ultra, because look at this view. Basically what you just saw was day 3, as Xiaomi had a whole program for us for our 6-day stay. So when we arrived at the airport, I was greeted by some lovely Xiaomi staff members with a bag full of surprises. That included the Xiaomi Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus 5G Fan Festival Edition and some other pretty cool goodies. But I did bring my own Xiaomi 14 Ultra along with the photography kit to capture some really exciting moments over there. The second day of our trip was to visit the head office, and to my surprise, more than 10,000 people every single day work at the Xiaomi campus. Because lots of products are still being developed and they're basically a secret, unfortunately I cannot share with you guys anything more than this because I had to sign a document, but trust me and believe me, there are some really cool products in the pipeline that will be announced in the upcoming weeks and even a bit further ahead of us. Next up, we had a session with the social media managers for Facebook and Instagram, Celia and Rosemont. So special shout out to you guys because I had a really fun day posting some of my own stories, my captured moments in China, as well as allowing me to interact with the fans. So it was a really cool day, learned something, and also to post something on the Xiaomi official Instagram and Facebook page was pretty cool. So thank you so much for that. Last but not least, we visited on campus their flagship Xiaomi store. It's pretty insane to think that they have their own store on campus. But that's where I got the first look of Xiaomi's electric car, the SU7, but I don't want to spoil too much yet, because I have some incredible cool stories and images to show you of the SU7 factory. Before we went to the factory, we had one more free day, which we spent with all content creators and Xiaomi staff members at the Forbidden City.
Welcome to the Forbidden City here in Beijing, China. I will show you around a little bit more, but it's super crowded.
Okay with that?
They have to.
This palace complex served as the home of the Chinese emperors and was the ceremonial and political center of the Chinese government for over 500 years. It has many gardens and I'm so surprised by how maintained it was.
Just so many steps. You want to join the video? Just so many steps in order to reach one of the highest points here, in order to have a nice view on the city, the Forbidden City.
The Xiaomi 14 Ultra definitely helped me here with the 3.2 and 5x zoom, as you get these crazy cool shots. My highlight of this trip to China is basically this day. The tour at the EV factory of Xiaomi where they produce the SU7. So after a 1-hour drive from Beijing to the factory, we were greeted with some, I'm just gonna tell you myself, on spot.
So let's go inside. So we're in the building right now, and the entry here is already super amazing. Look at that view behind me over here. They went completely out. It's so amazing. I'm gonna show you the rest as well, so stick around.
Interesting to know, every 67 seconds an SU7 rolls out of the factory. And that is mind-blowing if you ask me, especially if you know that the day before we arrived, the factory just got up and running. To enter the factory, I had to sign a document to not publish any non-approved footage. So I cannot show you too much besides telling you. But oh boy, if you ever have the opportunity to visit an electric vehicle factory, please do so. Especially if you love engineering, because it's like heaven on earth. More than 250 robots assemble the SU7. And let's not forget the hundreds of robots that utilize LiDAR to navigate around the workshop, transporting medium and large parts. At the end of the tour, Xiaomi brought us to their on-site test and race track to step into their SU7 Max. I've experienced quite a few electric sport cars, but this definitely beats them all.
There we go, in 3, 2, 1, go!
Are you okay?
My Formula 1 driver for the day. This is so nice. Did you like it? Whoa, I just came out of the SU7 Max, and guys, that was a hell of a ride. If you have the possibility to try it out yourself, definitely go do it. At the moment it's not available outside of China, but the moment it is, I'll give you an update. For now, this car is really amazing.
So here we are, day 6. On the last day, Xiaomi invited us to co-host their live stream and to give away some really cool goodies. Because of the time difference, we had enough time to explore a bit more of Beijing on our own during the day, so I went with Xiaomi fan Leo Wang, and we visited Tiananmen Square. It's a bit contested, of course, for many and obvious reasons, but aside from that, it remains an impressive square with even more impressive security measures. After the live stream, we had to say goodbye to everyone because the next morning I had to catch my flight back to Holland. I'm looking at some unforgettable experiences in China and really enjoyed the hospitality of all Xiaomi staff members. It's been an insane trip, but so worth it.
Alright, that's it for this video. We are saying bye to the EV factory from Xiaomi with still this beautiful car in the back. I really hope you enjoyed the video. Please consider subscribing because then you'll see more of those videos. And if you are interested in some other videos, let me just try to get outside of the building. Then make sure you click somewhere here on the screen because I will link one of my most favorite Xiaomi products. Anyways guys, thank you so much for watching and I catch you in the next one.